Hey everybody, this is my 4th grader Taylor Keel, and today we are going to make a paper airplane. I'm going to teach Taylor, I'm going to teach you how to make a paper airplane. We're just going to do a step-by-step process, folding our sheet of paper. I'm going to make the fold and Taylor's going to follow each step of the way until we're finished with a complete product that we can fly. Okay?
Alright.
Zoom in here so we can get a better look at what we're doing. Okay. So, to begin, I'm going to take your flat white sheet of paper that currently has no creases, and you're going to fold it in half. One edge to the other, creating what's going to be our center line. Okay. Alright. Now we are going to open our sheet of paper back up. Just simply open it so that the opening of the fold is facing you. You're going to start with the top corner of your sheet of paper. Start by folding it to the center line, creating a triangle. Perfect. Now you're going to do the same exact thing on the other side. Take the opposite corner, fold it to the center, creating a second triangle.
Like this?
Just like that. Yep, you got it. Okay. The great thing about making a paper airplane is that relative to the center line, everything on both sides is symmetrical.
Oh, yes.
Exactly. Just like that. So now we are going to take this outer edge, start with this corner here, I think that's easiest, and bring it back to the center line. Perfect. Alright, and do the same thing on the other side. Outer edge. Bring it to the center.
Okay.
And make your fold. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is simply fold it in half, kind of like we did at the beginning. Now with all of our folds in it, we're going to refold that center line, creating the body of our airplane. Okay? Now we have the body. What we need to do is create the wings that are going to carry it on the wind. So, lay it back in front of you.
Okay.
And we're going to take this outer edge and bring it down so that it meets the bottom edge, but it's still the center fold of our paper.
Okay.
Excellent. Alright, now flip it over and do the same thing to the other side. Bring that outer edge down to meet the bottom. Okay. So now we've made our wings. What we want to do is just make sure that we flatten them out, so that we basically separate the wings from the body. You can see here it's going to create a 90-degree angle. Okay, perfect.
Okay.
And now you have your finished product.
Cool.
Alright, now we're going to see if they can fly.
Okay.
Okay? Alright. Okay, ready?
Ready.
Not bad. Nicely done. Thank you.